Hello girls, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you how to make my favorite must DIY cream, which is a deodorant cream at home. So this deodorant cream which I'm going to show you shortly is having 0% chemicals or any preservatives and is just organic deodorant cream which would make sure to keep you odor free like for 15 to 16 hours at a stretch. So we girls use a lot of roll-ons, lot of deodorants, direct application to our underarms, which makes your underarms very dark and it irritates you because some of them have alcohols and a lot of harmful chemicals which makes your underarms very dark and very uncomfortable to your skin, and you will get a very irritating sensation under your underarms. So to avoid all of that, I would advise you to make this DIY cream at home, which is, trust me girls, very good for your skin. It will keep your skin hydrated and odor free. And I'm giving you in guarantee 15 to 16 hours of no odor when you apply this cream. Okay, so now let me show you how to make it at home. So we'll need 3 teaspoons of raw unrefined shea butter. It is highly anti-inflammatory and has healing properties. It is very good for your skin and it soothes your skin also. And then I'll add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil. So we'll need 3 teaspoons of cornstarch or arrowroot, as this will help you keep your underarms sweat free. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This will help with the body odor and also clean your darker underarms. We'll add 15 to 20 drops of any essential oil of your choice. It can be rose or lemon. Lemon works good. I'm adding around 20 drops of rose essential oil to it. Since shea butter will not melt in room temperature, you need to mix the mixture and use a double boiler method to melt the cream. Take a bowl of water, warm bowl of water, and keep this vessel inside that water. So you can see I've taken some warm water and kept the vessel inside the warm water. The cream started melting. You can mix it well and then let it cool down after it mixes well. You can see it has melted very well and it's mixing very well. So I'm done and I will let it cool down. So as soon as the cream becomes in a liquid consistency, just fill it in a glass container, airtight bottle, and let it cool down. So your cream is going to set once it cools down very well. So I've transferred the cream which was into a liquid form to a airtight glass bottle, and I'll leave it to room temperature for like 2-3 hours, and this cream would become thicker and it will become like a very thick cream with very good consistency. So this is the consistency of the cream after it has set in room temperature, like after 2-3 hours, and ready to use for application. So now that you have seen how to make it, I used a double boiler method to melt this shea butter so that it mixes with all the ingredients very well. But at room temperature it is going to set. So you can see this cream is going to be this. You can store it in any glass container, airtight container, and use it till it finishes off. It is not going to get spoiled, and it has very sweet shea butter and rose smell in it. It's very good. So this is not gonna melt in even room temperature. So if you can use it under your underarm, and yes, see, it is so hydrating, and trust me girls, no odor. With this cream you will have 0% of odor if you have those odor issues with your underarm. This cream is not going to give you any odor, and it is very hydrating, and your skin would also improve. Underarm skin would also improve if you have those darker underarms, because we forget to hydrate our underarms and clean them properly, which results in a darker underarms. So make sure to clean your underarms well with loofahs when you're taking bath, and make sure to hydrate it also, and do not apply any harmful chemicals, roll-on and antiperspirants under your underarm, because they are not good for your skin. And try making this deodorant cream at home, and I'm telling you, no odor. Trust me, 100% no odor. So this deodorant would keep you fresh like for 15 to 16 hours at a stretch. If you have that odor issue, you would not get it, and this is just very pure organic and very soothing to your skin, so you can directly apply it under your underarms. So if you want to use deodorants, make sure you can apply it over your clothes to smell even fresh and not directly applying it on the skin directly. So if you like my organic deodorant cream which you can make it at home, make sure to do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching me. Bye.